The short answer is don't worry too much about situations like this. If you tincture something in alcohol and you let it sit longer than 4 to 6 weeks, it's probably okay. I mean, honestly, even if you let it sit for a long time, it's probably okay. But this is where learning to trust your instincts and pay attention to what your senses are telling you is really important when it comes to herbs. So if you end up tincturing something for what you think is too long, pay attention to it. Open it up. How does it smell? How does it look? Is there a bunch of slime in there? Is it moldy? If so, throw that out. I doubt that is going to be the case though. I actually have a tincture that I have had in with the plant materials still in it from like 6 years ago that I have yet to strain. And if I needed to use that tincture, I would. It's a really specific one that I probably won't, but I wanted to have it on hand in case. Now, when it comes to something like an herbal oil, if you're infusing an oil with herbs, this is where you're going to want to be a little bit more careful. And the reason for that is because oils obviously can go rancid, whereas alcohol is more naturally a preservative. So, again, pay attention to what your senses are telling you. Does it smell weird and disgusting? Take a tiny taste of it. Does it taste rancid? If so, throw it out. If not, if it smells pretty good, if it looks pretty good, if there's nothing that is like off-putting about it, you're probably okay. Always use your best judgment. But herbs, they really don't have to be done perfectly. They never really were done perfectly back in the day, and we just need to start to trust our own intuition when it comes to these things again. So don't fret if you feel like you've missed your deadline for straining out your tincture. You're probably okay. I'd appreciate a like and a follow, and if you could add yourself to my email list to keep learning, that would be great.